Guys, so how oftenly do you wash your makeup brushes? For me, I do it maybe like every 2 months or so. And today I'm going to share with you how I wash them. It's just a very easy and simple process. So we first start with warm water and soap. And guys, just see the effect that these two have. Yeah, this is just from warm water and soap. So it removes most of the makeup. And the soap in this case is liquid soap, the like the dishwashing soap, the liquid soap. It's what I'm using. So I will repeat this process until the water and the warm water and the liquid soap get a bit clearer. And then after it clears up is when I am going to go in with vinegar and soap. So the reason for vinegar is just the vinegar to now remove the makeup that is stuck, that was not able to be removed by warm water and soap. And I don't know, but that combination works for me. And you will see that even your brushes will feel a bit better after you have washed them in terms of texture. So guys, this is the vinegar and the soap. So I have already done, I did like 3 washes. So you do as many washes as possible because these makeup brushes get dirty, you know. Foundation is it gets dirty. And now this is how it looks like with the vinegar and the soap. Yeah, you know, you see it's not so dirty. So I'll give it a final rinse in warm water, and just that is just warm water after I have left it. So this is the final rinse. You can see the water is very clear. It is really nice. And this is how the makeup brushes, this is how clean they are. And yeah, that is it. Yeah, very simple and easy process. Thank you for watching this video, and bye.